Welcome to the back 40 feet. It is now 8 weeks before the last frost, and I'm going to continue with planting my indoor seeds to get a start on today's garden. So I had ordered a whole bunch of seeds from a variety of different catalogs. They all came in this week, so I'm gonna get started with those. So I'm going to be planting my kales and greens, and for those I have these, which are peat pots. And they're made out of peat, and they will dissolve in the ground so that I won't have to have any transplant shock to the roots. And I'm also going to be doing my broccoli and cauliflower, and for those I'm going to just be using this 9-cell tray. They're not going to stay in here very long, and I'll transplant those directly into the ground once the risk of snow and frost are over, or at least close to that. I'll be doing some using some season extenders, which I'll talk about in a different video. And then after I'm done with those, I'll be planting my tomatoes. As you can see, as always, I have my helper, right, Jaeger? He's apparently not interested in kale, which is fine. So I will show you what I have when I'm done. One thing I did want to point out, oh, now you're paying attention? Hi. So I only filled these up to about 2/3 of the way. With kales and different collards, when they sprout, sometimes they kind of shoot a little bit too high above the ground. So this way I have some room in my pots to add additional soil after they sprout in case they went up a little too high above the soil.